You ready to feed the fishies? Go feed the fishies. Don't feed yourself, silly. Stasia. You're gonna give it to the fishies? What are the fishies' names?
Shark.
And? Shock and who else?
Fish.
Shock and Fish. Okay, a little bit more. Good job, Stasia. Say, eat your dinner, Shock and Fish. Do you like your fishies, Stasia? Yeah, which fish is that? Which one is that? What's his name?
Shark.
That's right, that one was Shock. Okay, are you finished?
Fish.
Shock and Fish. Okay, last one. Good job. Okay, you all finished?